She did it again. Pop star Britney Spears in the middle of a legal fight. Her parents are being hit with a toxic suit by a man who says he was her former manager, Sam Lutfi. He claims that they defamed and cheated him out of millions of dollars. Our legal guys are back. Avery Friedman in Cleveland, Richard Herman in Miami. All right, gentlemen, hit me, baby, one more time with this case. Richard, you first. So, first of all, they have to settle whether this man was indeed a manager, because in some reports he was a very good friend, and he is alleging he was a manager, and he is owed something like 15% of Spears' earnings at a time when she was making between $100,000 and $1 million a month. How is he going to prove his case?
A month. And by the way, when you said toxic, I got that, Fred. I just want you to know. I got that. Now, this Lutfi decides to bring a lawsuit for breach of contract. There's an oral agreement. There's no written agreement, for assault against Mr. Spears, who he claims punched him, and defamation against Lynn Spears, who said he was a Svengali and a general in her book. Now, whether that rises to the level of defamation, I don't think so. But unfortunately, I've not read her book. I know you guys have read her book, but I will not read that book.
Sure.
Anyway, I don't know what the defamation is going to be in the book, so that looks like that claim's going down the toilet. Now, whether or not he was really her manager or not, that's going to depend on how he can corroborate that with actual events which took place, which confirm the terms of his agreement with her. Oral agreements will be enforced, and the question is, are there enough corroboration factors to show that there was actually a contract and he was actually her manager? Now, of course, Britney's going to have to testify here, so it'll be interesting to see what happens.